Well, obviously, that bird just fell out of the sky and is pretty much dead now. Oh man, it's gonna eat us. Oh. Wow, it flew away. That's weird because it fell out of the sky, leaving all. And he fell again. What's with this bird? Like, all his little birdie friends are coming to meet him now. Bird, you suck.
Oh, it's dead now.
Is it?
Yes. Here, give me the camera.
Go.
Look at the bird. It's a dead bird.
It's gonna become zombie and kill us all. Bird, you dead. He's not dead yet.
Logan, that's not nice.
I like birds.
Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
It's gonna attack you.
I know. Where's its bird friend?
They all ran away because he's an idiot. Bird, don't fly.
Logan, go up close to it.
No, it'll give me rabies.
It doesn't have rabies. It hit that thing up there. Hey, don't eat us. Get a cage.
No, I don't have a cage.
He looks pissed.
He's gonna kill us.
Are you? He's gonna kill us. Oh God. He looks pissed.
Eat Dylan.
Are you okay, birdie?
Why do I hear music? What the hell?
No,
Is
man.
the bird like pooping on
No,
music?
the bird's dead.
No, it's not. He's still moving.
What is it? He's still breathing.
Kick him.
No, the bird. There's a bird up in the trees flying.
Playing music.
They're flying away. It's a dead bird. Are you okay, Mr. Bird? I don't want that thing to fly up and attack me.
This is exciting.
The bird dead. The bird. Oh God. He's alive.
No duh.
There's a bird up there. The bird in the wind. There's Leah.
Leah. Is that a duck or a bird? Like, what the fuck?
Birdie, birdie bird. Scoop.
Hi there.
Go up close to it.
No.
Get a zoom in.
You do it.
No, I'm not that thing
scared
bite
of the
me.
bird. He has no teeth. And he can't fly, so just kick him.
No, I'm gonna fucking kick the bird. Oh, he's running away. What's he doing?
Is he gonna eat the flower? The duck's coming to get us now.
Oh, he's hopping in the flowers.
Is that a flamingo?
Oh, he's trying to fly.
Practice makes perfect, little one. Why is he in the plant?
Stop scaring the bird. Is he okay? Jeez, he's a feisty one. Go up close to that.
Close to that animal.
It's gonna kill me!
Well, obviously, we have a bird. It's about dead. That's a wrap.